Hello everyone, we are here to discuss about different aspects of strawberry, its introduction, its breeding objectives, breeding methods and breeding achievements. So Gangadhar will start with the introduction part, floral biology will be covered by Rohit, breeding methods will be covered by Gangadhar, breeding objectives I will be covered, and breeding achievement again Rohit will cover that part. So
Strawberry is a generally hybrid. It is generally developed by crossing of Fragaria into Ananasa. It is originated in France and it is having a basic chromosome number of X equals to 7 and 2n is equals to 56. Type of fruit is Itaria of Ekins. Regarding to the soil and climate, soil should have a general pH of 5.5 to 6.5 and it should have fertile soils. And regarding the climate, you know that this is a temperate crop. It requires a cooler climate. Regarding planting time, generally planting or sowing time is generally done in August to September. And then regarding type of planting systems are mostly in India we follow the matted rows, spaced hills and hill rows. Coming to the propagation techniques, mostly commercially propagation is done with the help of runners which are also known as stolons, and other than this micro propagation can be done. Different varieties of strawberry are Dilpasan, Winterdown, Chandler. Coming to the maturity indices of the strawberry, it depends upon the firmness and color of the fruit. And coming to the harvesting, it is manually done with the hand plucking. During early morning it is done, and regarding the yield, it is having a yield of 20 to 25 tons per hectare.
now Rohit will tell us about the floral biology and breeding habits of strawberry.
So regarding the floral biology of strawberry, as we know, strawberry having the pentamerous nature of flowering. So that means the flowers are in multiple of 5 and the sepals and petals are also in number of 5. Regarding the number of stamens, there are 20 to 35 number of stamens in the flower. Also regarding the pistils number, they are around 90 to 120 in number. So as you can see here, the number of sepals are in multiple of 5, they are 10 in number. And also here you can see the petals, they are also in a number of 5, and the color is white, and also they are overlapping each other, not free. The type of bearing in strawberry is crown bearing. As you can see, the stolon is arising from the crown portion of the plant. And regarding inflorescence, it is cymose type, as the stolon is divided into number of floral branches, that is also in number of 5. And the mode of pollination in strawberry is self-pollination, and also the peak anthesis and dehiscence is observed during 10 am till 12 noon. The stigma receptivity period may varies from few hours to 10 days. So this was all about the floral biology of the strawberry. In addition to the floral biology of the strawberry plant, the growing habit is like upright growing habit. As you can see here, the inflorescence of the plant is growing upright and above the vegetative portion of the plant. According to the bearing habit of strawberry plants can be classified into 3 categories. So first one is the short day plants that bear fruits once in a season. And next to that there is day neutral plants that bears multiple times in a season. And the third one is the ever bearers that bear fruits 2 times in a season. So that was all about the floral biology, growing habit of the plant and inflorescence of the plant. And next to that Niharika will continue with the various breeding objectives of the strawberry plant.
So in relation to strawberry, there are various breeding objectives. The first breeding objective is shelf life of strawberry. Shelf life of strawberry is the main objective, is the main problem in strawberry. So during the transportation and storage, this occur mostly. So to decrease this problem, we have to cultivate new varieties so that it can increase the marketable demand of the strawberry. The next breeding objective is yield. Yield is the most important economic objective of the strawberry. The next breeding objective is disease resistance and pest resistance. And after that, we have fruit quality. Fruit quality increase factors such as fruit textures, fruit aroma, and the pulp of the strawberry. The next breeding objective is adaptability to climate and adverse environmental conditions. Next is extend the harvest period. So by extending the harvesting period, it can allow the grower to open the market window for a longer period. The next breeding objective is mechanical harvesting. To develop the varieties which can be mechanically harvested can decrease the post-harvest losses also and decrease the labor cost. And the last breeding objective of strawberry is to keep in mind the consumer's demand or market demand, to know the trends that are set in the market, and to know the what consumer demand. We can select a specific breeding objective to increase the productivity that will be profitable for the grower as well as the consumer. Now Gangadhar will tell us about the different breeding methods of strawberry plant.
Different breeding methods of strawberry are first one is introduction, polyploidy, hybridization, and tissue culture techniques. These are the crop improvement techniques which can be done in the strawberry. Regarding introduction, in introduction what we will do is generally the most successful varieties are introduced from other countries to India. Example like Torway, Tioga, and Solon. These are the introduced varieties from California. And regarding hybridization, we can say that strawberry is the only crop where most of the varieties are developed with the help of hybridization. In hybridization, the major objective is to develop fruit quality, resistance against abiotic and biotic stress. Regarding polyploidy breeding, it is a type of mutation breeding. Here seeds are treated with the chemical colchicine in order to double the chromosome number. The result was SO1, SO2 are the cultivars which are developed with the help of polyploidy breeding. Regarding tissue culture technique, we will follow mostly micropropagation. In micropropagation, where we take growing or cultivation of plants in a aseptic condition.
So as Gangadhar has mentioned earlier about the different breeding methods of the strawberry, so I will discuss about the various achievements we have done earlier. So first one is through introduction. In introduction we have cultivars like Festival, Albion and Camino Real that are introduced from USA. And in this cultivar, Albion is a day neutral variety, and the Camino Real and the Festival having resistance to rain stress, and also the Camino Real having resistance to some of the races of fungi like Verticillium. So in hybridization, as we know, the Frageria ananasa was also found to be an interspecific cross between Frageria virginiana and Frageria chironensis. So the various cultivars that has been developed as a result of hybridization are Chandler, that is basically a cross of Douglas and Cal 72.361-105, and next is Belruby, that is a cross of Pocahontas and Redcoat. Both of these cultivars are having exceptionally good quality fruits and are used as mostly for desert purpose and for post-harvest making. Also Sentinel, that is a cross of 20th century and gem seedling. Next to this there is Chambly, that is a cross of Sparkle and Honeyoy. Both of these cultivars are having resistant to various races of fungi like Verticillium. So these are resistant one cultivars developed through hybridization. So in mutation there are some certain varieties like SO1 and SO2 that are developed as a result of mutation. So in addition to mutation there are some certain low temperature suitable cultivars like Beaver cultivars. In Beaver cultivars there are Beaver Sweet, Beaver Early, Beaver Bells that can be cultivated in low temperatures. So that was all about the breeding achievements of the strawberry.
So this was all about the breeding objective, methods and achievement that have been achieved till date of strawberry. Hopefully you have enjoyed the podcast and have gained some knowledge from us. Thank
That
you.
was all about from all of us. So we tried to conclude everything in the breeding objectives and the related aspect to strawberry breeding.
Thank you.
Thank you.